Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the transformative power of being alone. Solitude isn't just about being physically by yourself. It's an opportunity for deep self-discovery, creativity, emotional clarity, and personal growth. Whether you're looking to improve your mental health, boost your productivity, or simply connect with your inner self, embracing alone time can be the key. In this video, we'll explore 10 powerful benefits of solitude, supported by insights from some incredible books. So, grab a cup of tea, get comfortable, and let's talk about why spending time alone might just be one of the best things you can do for yourself. 1. Self-discovery. In The Art of Solitude, by Stephen Batchelor, solitude is presented as a gateway to deeper self-discovery. Batchelor argues that when we are alone, free from the distractions of societal expectations and constant interaction, we can engage in profound self-reflection. This period of solitude allows us to explore our thoughts, motivations, desires, and inner conflicts without the influence of others. Batchelor stresses that by embracing the space of being alone, we can gain clarity on our identity, values, and life goals. He suggests that true self-understanding arises when we disconnect from external noise, allowing us to tune into our authentic selves. This solitude doesn't necessarily mean complete isolation, but rather intentionally carving out time to be with our thoughts and embrace our inner world. 2. Enhanced creativity. In Solitude, A Return to the Self, by Anthony Storr, the concept of creativity is explored in the context of solitude. Storr emphasizes that being alone provides a fertile ground for creative thinking because it eliminates the constant bombardment of external stimuli. Without social pressure or the opinions of others, individuals can access their own imaginative potential. Storr highlights that many artists, writers, and thinkers have turned to solitude not just as a means of quiet but as a necessary condition for tapping into their creative flow. In solitude, one is able to experiment, make mistakes, and approach problems with a fresh perspective, leading to personal expression through art, writing, or other creative endeavors. This solitude cultivates an inner environment where creativity can thrive, free from judgment and distraction. 3. Emotional clarity. In The Lonely City, Adventures in the Art of Being Alone, by Olivia Lawing, the author reflects on how solitude can be a powerful tool for emotional healing. Lawing, through her personal reflections and the lives of various artists, argues that time alone helps individuals process their emotions and gain clarity. Solitude creates the space to step back from the emotional chaos of daily life and engage in introspection. It provides a safe environment where individuals can confront painful feelings, whether it's grief, loneliness, or trauma, and work through them without external interference. Lawing demonstrates how being alone allows for emotional purification by offering an opportunity to sit with emotions, understand their roots, and eventually let them go. Rather than avoiding feelings, solitude helps in acknowledging and accepting them, which leads to emotional healing. 4. Personal growth. The Power of Now, by Eckhart Tolle, teaches that solitude is essential for personal transformation. According to Tolle, being alone in the present moment allows for a deeper understanding of oneself. Tolle emphasizes that most of our struggles stem from being trapped in the past or anxious about the future. When we are alone, we are less likely to get caught up in these distractions. Instead, we can focus on the present, engage in mindfulness, and experience life as it is. This alignment with the present moment helps individuals identify limiting beliefs, negative thought patterns, and destructive habits, providing the space needed for growth and self-improvement. Tolle encourages readers to use moments of solitude to connect with their higher consciousness and foster an ongoing state of personal evolution. 5. Increased independence. In Quiet, The Power of Introverts in a World That Can't Stop Talking, by Susan Cain, the power of solitude for introverts is discussed in depth. Cain explains that solitude is not a sign of weakness or social inadequacy but a vital aspect of self-sufficiency and personal development. For introverts, time alone is crucial for recharging and maintaining their emotional equilibrium. Cain suggests that solitude allows introverts to feel comfortable in their own skin and gain confidence in their independence. Without the constant pressure of social interaction, introverts can cultivate their own beliefs, explore their passions, and make decisions without the influence of others. Solitude gives them the strength to remain true to themselves, fostering a sense of autonomy and resilience. 6. Mindfulness and presence. Both The Power of Now and other mindfulness practices stress the importance of being fully present and solitude plays a central role in achieving this. Eckhart Tolle suggests that true mindfulness arises when we are alone and free from the distractions of external stimuli. Solitude creates an ideal environment for practicing mindfulness because it removes the external noise that typically pulls our attention away from the present moment. When alone, we can focus on our breath, bodily sensations, and thoughts without the need to constantly react to the environment or others. This intentional stillness allows us to cultivate a state of awareness and presence, enabling us to experience life with more depth and clarity. Mindfulness in solitude can lead to improved mental well-being, reduced stress, and a greater appreciation of life as it unfolds. 7. Rest and recharge. The comfort of solitude. Finding meaning and purpose in being alone, by Dr. Yvonne K. L. Lutz, focuses on how solitude allows individuals to rest, recharge, and restore their energy. Lutz emphasizes that in today's fast-paced world, where we are constantly surrounded by people and responsibilities, finding time alone is essential for mental and physical well-being. Solitude provides the necessary break from the constant demands of social life, allowing for rest that nurtures the body and mind. During these quiet moments, individuals can reset emotionally, reflect on their experiences, and return to their day-to-day life with renewed vigor. Lutz discusses how solitude is not just about physical rest but also mental rejuvenation, helping individuals recover from burnout and stress. 8. Improved relationships. In Man's Search for Meaning, by Viktor E. Frankl, the importance of solitude in understanding oneself is discussed in relation to relationships. Frankl reflects on his experiences in concentration camps and how solitude, even in the most extreme circumstances, allowed him to reflect on the meaning of life. He suggests that taking time alone can help individuals gain clarity about their desires, values, and emotional needs. This clarity enhances relationships because individuals can approach others from a place of self-awareness and authenticity. Solitude also allows for emotional regulation, so when interacting with others, one is better able to engage from a place of balance rather than dependency or emotional turmoil. 9. Increased focus and productivity. In The Lonely City, by Olivia Lawing, the author highlights how solitude can increase focus and productivity. Lawing argues that solitude provides an environment conducive to deep work because there are fewer distractions. In solitude, individuals can engage in projects with undivided attention, allowing for greater efficiency and focus. Whether it's writing, studying, or engaging in creative endeavors, being alone enables people to concentrate fully without the interruptions of social obligations, technology, or external demands. This leads to higher productivity and the ability to complete tasks with more precision and care. 10. Spiritual connection. The Monastery of the Heart, by Joan Chittister, explores how solitude is an essential component of spiritual life. Chittister emphasizes that solitude provides the space for contemplation, meditation, and prayer. Without the noise and distractions of the world, individuals can focus on deepening their spiritual connection, whether through religious practices or personal reflection. Solitude nurtures an inner silence that allows individuals to hear the deeper call of their spiritual self. Chittister highlights that spiritual growth often requires time alone to cultivate a closer relationship with one's higher power, purpose, or inner wisdom. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you see the immense value in embracing solitude. Whether it's for self-discovery, creativity, or simply taking a break from the hustle and bustle, alone time can lead to profound personal transformation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content on mindfulness, self-growth, and living a balanced life. Also, feel free to share how solitude has impacted you in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, take care, and remember, sometimes, the best way to grow is to simply be alone.